Dave out in Western Pennsylvania. In Fuel Cells Part 1 I showed you the fuel cell, and I applied a couple of AA batteries. I had about a little over 3 volts to electrolyze water. On this side of collecting the oxygen, on this side of collecting the hydrogen. The fuel cell is available from FuelCellStore.com. It works very, very well. I've worked with some other fuel cells. And here you can see, after a couple of cycles, so I could enrich this cylinder that collects the hydrogen. I ran a couple of cycles. You do that by popping this black pin off, which I'll show you there. You pop that off. Water goes back into the syringe, 5 milliliter syringes. Then pop it back in. Do a couple of cycles so the cylinder, the syringe, is enriched in pure hydrogen. You want to get that air out the first couple of times. And of course you'll have your oxygen over here. I have it attached to a garden white LED, which I've gotten lit down to 0.52 volts. I have a YouTube video on getting these out of a garden cell. I get them from Walmart for $1 each. Pop the nickel cad battery out and attach your alligator clips. And we're using the hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. Now you'll probably kick out here. I haven't attached it to a circuit board, vernier board, but it's expected that you're going to get about 210 milliwatts. So you're not going to get a lot of power at it, but it's very good for bench scale demo of a fuel cell. And you'll get about 0.6 volts, and you'll get a hefty 360 milliamps. This has been lit for about 10 minutes. And as I use up the hydrogen and the oxygen, water, of course, you can monitor it this way. Water will go back into the syringes as the gases are used up. But this is the first time I'm using this little model, and it's pretty good. Pretty good for introduction to fuel cells. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.